Hi, you're watching the Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. As temperature is rising, the scorching heat is not only affecting the humans but also posing a serious risk to our pets. So, what kind of impact and what precautionary measures the owner should take? We are having with us Dr. Gurpreet Singh to understand about this. He is a veterinarian from Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Sciences University. So, welcome, sir, to the Savera first of all.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, how you see the increasing temperature, it is affecting the pets?
Like humans, this increasing temperature or heat increment has significant effect on the health of the pets, be it in any form, but there is certainly some effect on the health of the animals.
Right. So, what kind of serious illness you usually observe among the pets during summers?
We see increased number of cases of heat stroke, or you can say heat stress, and then other diseases. In addition to that, are we see increased skin infections, some increased parasitic, or you can say tick load that leads to some blood diseases like hematopoietic disease that can be life threatening.
And what are the early warning signs and symptoms regarding the same?
Like if we talk about the heat stress, early warning signs will be animal will be excessively panting. Then sometimes they may, if they are left unattended, sometimes it can lead to seizures also, exertion, and animal may feel extremely difficult in walking, and it will be totally depressed. Sometimes they may pass their feces. It's a kind of shock. Then animal may lead to passing of feces and defecation, and ultimately, if it is not treated in this at this situation also, then it can lead to death of the animal also.
Gurpreet ji, which pets they are more vulnerable to the heat stress?
Pets which are being brought from abroad are those which are acclimatized for cold climate weather, like heavy hair breeds, like double coated German Shepherds are there, Saint Bernards are, so many number of dogs are there which are having heavy coats.
Right.
So they are not acclimatized for our environment.
Okay.
So they, and the other one are those brachiocephalic breeds, like pug, or you can say boxer breeds, like those which have punched nose. So they are more vulnerable for heat stress.
Right. And it has been observed that people usually cut their hairs during these summers. So is it good or it can affect their health?
Certainly it can help to some extent, but sometimes if you see if you see, sometimes there are some side effects of cutting that hair that that may not come back immediately, and when it goes into the winter phase, so they will attain hypothermia. And otherwise, if you see, that animal will not look good, cosmetically good. So that is also a concern for the owners. So we don't recommend that also.
Sir, how important is the hydration and what owners can do to ensure that their pets are properly hydrated?
Very important. Like we recommend that that a bowl of water, cold normal water, it should be available 24/7. So hydration is the first step to prevent heat stress or heat stroke.
Okay. And what kind of diet adjustments are should be there?
I said that animal should be properly hydrated. So sometimes we prevent giving excessive amounts of protein. That is also good, but the protein there is some required quantity that needs to be given. So that protein and carbs need to be given. You can add up some excess amount of water or fibers in it, but you have to give proteins and all this.
Right. Is it safe to take pets for walk? And if yes, then what is the idle time?
Yes, you can take that is very necessary. And idle time, regarding idle time, if we talk about idle time, it is early morning or late evening when the temperature is not so much high.
Right. So it has been also observed that people usually take their dogs outside and they keep their dogs inside the car while going to the market. So what kind of usually mistakes you observe?
So see, if you park a car outside and then it is in extreme, it is directly exposed to sunlight. When you come back, you will be feeling like you are forced into a heat chamber.
Right.
So same happens with the animals also. So temperature in the car will be higher than that of the what is in the environment outside.
Right.
So ideally, if you are taking, you should not take animals with you or your pets with you if you know that the place we are visiting or we are going will not allow the animals there. So otherwise, if you have to take, if you are there is no other option, you are taking your animals with you. So keep that windows slightly open so that the animal is properly ventilated, kept in the ventilated.
Dr. Gurpreet, please tell the simple ways one owner can adopt to keep their pets cool at home.
So it should be well ventilated area. It should be in a shade. Animal should be kept in a shade. Try to keep as much as possible in the shade. Walk should be in early morning or late evening. Then you should keep your animals properly hydrated, or you should keep good quality food. And moreover, you should take the preventive measures like vaccination and deworming regularly.
Okay. Is there any myths or misconceptions also regarding the pet care during summer?
So see, sometimes we when the owner is present, that we don't give eggs or we don't give chicken. It's a hot, humid, and that will increase that heat. Certainly, protein does increase the heat while metabolism, but there is some required amount of certain proteins that need to be given. Be it animal proteins or plant proteins, you have to give proteins in any form.
Right.
So if you are giving proteins in any form, there is no not an issue, and you should keep animals hydrated. Be it in that lassi or curd milk or something, you have to give in the liquid form.
What advice you want to give to the pet owners in the specifically in the regions which are observing the extreme heat wave conditions?
So first, things we have already discussed or we have already told, and the other thing is vaccination deworming is very important because there will be a rise in respiratory or other infections. You have to take routine skin care by regular grooming their pets. Keep your animals hydrated, or keep your availability of water should be 24/7. Good food and healthy walk. That's it.
So, what kind of awareness program the Vetversity is organizing, or how university is working to prevent the other infections?
So on the coming this Saturday, we are observing World Veterinary Day, where we will be having free anti-rabies vaccination and deworming camp, also awareness camp. And there is a list of other camps we are organizing free of cost, like free routine urine checkup on one day. On other day, we will be having vaccination camp, deworming camp, nail trimming camp, pregnancy diagnosis camp, and so many number of camps are there. So if you visit the university website, you can check what are the free services we are providing in addition to our routine day-to-day activities.
Okay, thank you so much. So he's Dr. Gurpreet Singh, who is a veterinarian and expert over here at the Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Sciences University, Ludhiana. So he mentioned that that how the heat wave, how the increasing temperature, it can have a serious impact on our pets, and so timely and right precautions are required to minimize these impact. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.